Hi, Castro.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good, and you?
I'm really good.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great. The fact remains that we are having African end of the year party in Novotel Muscat Airport, and I think it's a great pleasure to host the community.
Correct. Thank you very much for hosting us. And I do understand that you are the restaurant manager at Novotel.
Yes, exactly. I'm the assistant food and beverage manager in Novotel Muscat Airport, and I've worked in the company for 7 years.
This is very interesting. I mean, to get such a position in such a country, it must have been tough.
Of course, Kenyans are known to be hard workers, and so getting the opportunity is not that easy, but at least I've ensured that I've worked hard to acquire the chance.
I really love that, the fact that you are motivating we Kenyans are known to be hard workers. So what would you tell a Kenyan somewhere who is planning to come to Oman or going to GCC country?
Actually, I would say that the GCC country is one of the best countries that people can work in because it has got so many advantages. And of course, if there's advantage, there's some also disadvantages as well. But I would say that do not fear to come to GCC. And I think it's the best place for someone to start working when you're looking for experience.
All right, thank you very much, Castro. Tonight, what are you looking forward to as we gather the end of year, as we clock the year, as we finish up the year, as we wrap up this year? It has been all it is. What do you have to say about this end of year African party?
First and foremost, I'll take this opportunity to thank the organizing secretary and you as well for this wonderful day that you managed to organize and bring the Kenyan community together. And of course, I'm expecting that the event is going to be successful. People are going to know one another, and people are going to share, celebrate, and to rejuvenate about the new year, and also to know more about the Optiven and many more.
Thank you very much, Castro. I hope to see you around, and thank you for accommodating all of us.
You're most welcome.
See you around. Mercy, Mambo.
Poa sana.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I understand you just came in Oman a few months ago.
Yes, I did.
How are you finding it?
I'm loving the place. Oman is lovely. It's a beautiful country. People here are very welcoming.
Wow.
Yeah, friendly.
I'm really glad to hear about that. It's very rare to get such words from someone who just came to GCC country. And I hope that you're going to love it over here.
Yeah.
So tonight we're having this African end of the year party. So what are you looking forward to?
Personally, I'm looking forward to meeting other Kenyan people. Yeah, and probably make new friends. Yes.
All right, Mercy, we won't take so much of your time because you'll be part of the crew, right?
Yes, I will.
Thank you very much for hosting us.
Thank you, and you're most welcome.
You're welcome.